How to search post on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to search post on Reddit. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, at the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. So simply tap on it to begin searching. Now there you can type what you're looking for, such as gaming tips, tech news, funny videos. Be specific to get a better result. And after searching, you can switch to post tab, and this ensures that you are only seeing posts, not users or community. And you can refine results by filtering with date and the relevance as well. And with that, you can just tap on any post to read content about it and view the comments and interact with others as well. And that's it. That's how you can search post on Reddit. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.